2014 Chevy Camaro RS V6. Still got your factory converters there. And there that comes with 4. Then a factory H-pipe. Then we took 2 resonators off over there. Well, actually right there. Then continued with 2 1/4 pipe and took 2 mufflers off there and there, as you guys can see, right there, right there. And then we put some 4-inch blue flame tips right there and right there. That's how you guys do a muffler and resonator delete on this beautiful Camaro. There it is, RS. And there's the 2 mufflers we cut off. We don't like mufflers here. And they were Chevy performance mufflers. See? But they didn't sound too good. So this will sound a lot better. Let you guys hear it in a second. Not bad. Sound decibels, go ahead. Doing the sound decibels is 120. Wow. Huh? Yeah, do his. The tailpipes are in there. We're gonna do a straight, put a new Y pipe in instead of the muffler, and 2 new tips, the 5-inch. Those tips look really good on this car. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro RS 2014.